Morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you're all doing really well today. I'm going to be filming over the next few days and I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. So we've obviously got some cleaning and tidying to do first thing today because I love having a nice tidy cozy house, light a candle and get all those vibes. But I'm also trying to open a Zara package that I got a few days ago now, but I've been waiting to film and I'm also waiting to put it on Instagram, so I didn't want to open it. But it is only one item, but yeah, it looked amazing online, so hopefully it looks as good in real life. I'm also waiting for an Amazon delivery this morning, so I'm going to unbox that with you. And then I'm also going to be seeing my new niece and I can't wait to see her. That's just going to be amazing. So I'm going to be bringing you guys along for that as well, so you get to meet her as well. So yeah, there's lots of exciting things in today's video, so don't forget to subscribe, leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it.
If I could run with you, and from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess mystery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better, so take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go.
Now it's Zara time and I'm so excited. I've honestly waited like 3 days, maybe 4 days now to open this, so I'm excited. Who else just loves getting packages? Like, I honestly could do online shopping every single day. So I actually got this satin shirt and oh, it looks really nice. It does need a bit of a steam, it's a bit crinkled, but it's a cropped shirt and it's got like an open back, and I thought this would look really nice with like high-waisted jeans or high-waisted shorts in the summer and spring. This isn't my typical style, but I absolutely love it, so I'm just going to pop it on and see what it looks like. Oh my god, I love this. Like, I knew I would. I sort of had that feeling. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I need that. Even though it's not my style and it's not something I would usually go for, I'm obsessed with it. So like I said, I'd wear it with high-waist jeans or high-waist shorts, not leggings and slippers. But yeah, I really like it. The side bits are actually flowier than I thought they'd be, which I really like because it just gives it a little bit more movement. The back is absolutely beautiful, and yeah, I think it's perfect for spring, summer. Really glad that I got this, but usually I don't go for shirts, even though I love them. It kind of reminds me of just working in an office or, I don't know, school, you know? I don't think they really suit me that well, but I am obsessed with this, so whether it suits me or not, I'm wearing it because I love it that much. So I'll have it down in the description box, and yeah. Really happy with this, but it is that time of year now where I'm just making a few purchases here and there, getting ready for spring, summer, and yeah, I love this. Okay, so I think I'm just going to chill out for the rest of the afternoon. Definitely going to be just more of a relaxing, slow vlog, and that's what I'm trying to do lately, is just not deep clean the whole house whenever I have some spare time. Actually have some spare time, and it's been really good. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna sit down and chill out for a bit. Still waiting for my Amazon parcel to arrive, and even though I know it's gonna be in today's video, if it's not here in the next like half an hour, it's gonna be too dark for me to film, so I'd have to film it tomorrow, and I feel like I don't want to open it without you guys, so I can't open it until tomorrow. I know that's a little bit sad, like I could just open it, but I don't know, I feel like I'm actually opening it with you when I open it on camera, so we'll see. Oh my god, I think that's them. Max! Speak of the devil. Are you excited? I mean, what are the chances of that actually happening and it turning up just as I was like praying that it turns up? But some of you might think I'm a little bit sad for being this excited for what it is, but I sort of bought myself a little Valentine's present, I guess, and it is linked on my like to know it. I'm gonna have that down in the description box. I'll talk about that a little bit more in a minute, but I can't wait to get into this. So let's just try and whack it open. What is it? It's not for you, baby. Okay, baby, you can have the box. Yeah, go on then, you have the box. Good boy. Enamel flower teacup, and I know by the sound of that it does sound a little bit ridiculous. I'm just hoping it's as pretty as it was online. Oh my god. Yeah, it's gonna be. So it comes with a spoon as well, and even the spoon is just adorable. Look how cute that is. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this, but I don't think I'm going to use it for coffee now because I've literally just made one, so I didn't think it was coming. So I'm going to have my morning coffee in this. You want the box? Go on then. You can have it. You can have it. Good boy. Yeah, I think I'm going to have my morning coffee in it, and oh my god, I think it is absolutely beautiful. I didn't realise it came with like a little coaster. I forgot what it was called. Oh, it's just so cute. And then this is the mug, and how pretty is that? It's like a handmade coffee glass, and I just think that is just so pretty. It's got so much detail on. I love like the gold on the bottom, and I just love it. Just love it. And I know some of you are going to think I'm sad for being obsessed with a teacup, but how cute is that though? So yeah, I'm definitely going to keep this for my morning coffee. I don't want to just have a coffee now. Like, this is a special mug, so I am not going to just have a coffee willy-nilly. But yeah, I'm going to have this in the description box down below as well, because it's adorable. But this is what I was saying a minute ago about my Like to Know It. So I started the Like to Know It creator app, and I actually applied, sorry that Max is making so much noise with those boxes, but I actually applied to do it ages ago, and I was like declined, rejected. I couldn't do it. I didn't have like a following or anything, and then I went back in it like a few days ago just to try again, even though my following hasn't really grown much since the last time. And I didn't even have to go through the whole process of like applying. It just logged me in. So I'm still learning about it. I'm still, you know, it's all hit and miss. I'm not really sure what I'm doing, but I'm trying to just link all of my home decor, the pieces that I have in my house, as well as just all the bits that I love, bits that are in my, like, on my watch list on Amazon. Also sharing some fashion, and yeah, just fashion, lifestyle, home. I think most of it is going to be home. Like, I am obsessed with home decor, so I would love for you guys to go ahead and download the Like to Know It app. It is completely free to do. It won't cost you anything, and if you could go over there and give me a follow, that would mean the world. If you do buy something, I will gain a small commission, so thank you so much to anybody who does. I'm just having so much fun like building it all, and I would just love to get a following over there as well. Can we just get out the frame? Let's get out the frame. Good boy. I'm just really loving getting it all together, doing like the edits, and just finding home decor pieces is something that I really enjoyed doing, which is actually what I was going to be doing this afternoon. When I was waiting for the cup, I'm just going to be going through my home decor books, and yeah, just all things home. My mother-in-law also got me a book. It's a book of crystal healing, and it's just got loads of like the science behind crystals and like different crystals and just everything to do with different crystals. So just all sorts really, and I do find this stuff really interesting. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna sit back now, enjoy my coffee, read some books, chill out for a bit, and then we can pick back up tomorrow.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each
morning, guys. So it's the next day, and how precious is this? It's definitely started my morning off on the right foot, and I'm actually gonna have a bit of a mindful morning and do some meditation. And I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, so you can always just skip forward to the next part of the vlog, but I love meditating in the morning. It gets me ready for the day, it puts me in a good mood, puts my head in a good space, and yeah, it's just something that I've been really enjoying for the last month or so. And I always watch Life by Lucy on YouTube. I'll have her channel and the video that I always watch down in the description below if you want to do it with me and manifest with me and just get in a good headspace and a good mood for the day. I'll leave everything down below. I'm going to go ahead and drink a little bit of this, do a bit of meditating, get in the mood, and then after we're actually going to be fake tanning. And I normally fake tan before I go to bed, but I hate doing that. It's just sticky and horrible and I can't sleep. So I thought I'm just going to put it on in the morning, leave it on for a few hours, and then wash it off this afternoon. And if it's not dark enough, I can just repeat that tomorrow rather than having to sleep in it all night, ruin the bed sheets and all that jazz. And then we're just going to see where the day takes us. I really don't have a plan for this video at all. It is just very much spend the day with me, whatever it is that I'm going to be doing. So yeah, let's just get started.
From a calm state of mind. You're not desperate. You are content and happy as you are right now.
Always feel so good after that, like I can't even explain it. And when I first started, I did feel like a complete idiot, I'm not gonna lie. Like if you're not into it and you just want to try, or you're just getting into it, like you probably will feel a bit silly. It's the same with positive affirmations, which I now do every day. And when I first started them, I was like, really, you're really doing this? But yeah, you get used to it and it just becomes normal. So definitely try it if you want to get into manifestation, or if you're actually just feeling like you need a bit of a pick-me-up, you want to get your head straight. You know, sometimes you just need to breathe and just focus on nothing, and that just really helps. So it helps me anyway, so hopefully it will help you guys too. So I will leave the one that I watched down in the description, but I'm just going to go ahead now, finish my coffee, and then go and fake tan, because otherwise there's really no point in putting it on. So I'm gonna try and hurry up, drink this, and then get the tan on. Okay, so this is what I use when I tan. I use the Bondi Sands in dark for the body, and then I use the tanning water by Revolution for the face, just because I don't really like the look of this on the face. It goes really patchy. When it's washed off, it looks fine, but like the guide color, it just looks really bad. So I just use this one, but it actually blends really well. You can't tell when it's on that I'm wearing two different ones. So I use those. I use the brush for my hands, feet and face, and then the Bondi Sands mitt for my body. So I'm going to go ahead, pop that on, and then I will be back in just a second. I actually can't believe I'm coming on the internet looking like this, but it is what it is. It's a day in the life. This is actually what I look like. The face takes like 7 hours to develop, but I'm washing the body off in like 4. So that's going to be interesting. I do need to do some online shopping. I need to figure out what I actually want in this room, because I think I've got most of it sorted, but I just want to rethink what furniture and stuff I want over there. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a little bit of online shopping, just getting inspo, making mood boards, looking on Pinterest, that sort of thing, and making some more mood boards for you guys as well, so you can shop my looks over on Like to Know It. Please don't forget to download that app and go and give me a follow, because it would mean the world. So I'm going to be doing some more mood boards over there, online shopping, and just marinating until I can wash this off, because honestly guys, it feels so sticky, like it's horrible. Good morning, it's a different day. I actually totally forgot to carry on filming yesterday, so I've just picked it up today. The tan worked out perfectly, everything matches, and it actually went a lot darker. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but it actually went a lot darker than I thought just in the 4 hours, so that was really good. Hello. So as always lately, I'm waiting for another delivery. I feel like that's all I do nowadays is wait for Amazon parcels to arrive. But yeah, I'm waiting for another delivery and then we can do a little bit of restyling downstairs, which I'm really looking forward to. I bought something that was actually in my basket for like a year. Honestly, I think they've been in there since like last spring. Really olive stems, and I love the look of olive stems. I don't know why I haven't bought them. Like I said, they were in my basket for like a year. So finally got some, and I'm going to do some decorating with them later. And I sort of want to change how I decorate. Like I normally decorate for like spring and summer, autumn, like winter, Christmas. And I want some decor that can just be all year. I don't think I'm going to be doing a specific spring decorate because I feel like olive stems are perfect for spring, but they're also good all year round. And I want to start getting decor that can just be all year round instead of constantly buying new stuff for each season. Yeah, I mean, one year I had like all colourful eggs and colourful bunnies and things like that for like spring, Easter, and that's just really not my style. And yeah, colourful, not really my style. So I think I'm going to try and stick with normal decor throughout the year, but still change out my stems. But yeah, I think olive stems are going to look so nice, and again, they can just be all year round. I'm going to be taking Max out for a walk before we do anything, because I think he needs to get a little bit of his energy out. But I'm also going to be seeing my niece today as well, so I'm really excited. So yeah, first things first, take the dog out, and then hopefully the Amazon parcel will arrive soon and we can start decorating. Max, stop. Yes, cross. Good boy. So it's many hours later and I'm absolutely gutted that my Amazon delivery hasn't turned up yet, and by the time it does now it's just going to be too dark to film, so I'm going to save that for my next video. I could just wait and do it tomorrow, but I really want to get today's video edited and put up for you guys, so yeah, I'm going to leave that until my next one. The next video is going to be my top 10 home decor must-haves. I honestly can't wait to film that video. I love home decor and I love decorating, and hopefully it gives you lots of decorating inspiration. Really subscribe so you don't miss that one, but the stems that I'm waiting for today are going to go perfectly in that video anyway, so if you do want to see how I style them, make sure that you do subscribe. But right now I need to get ready to go to my sister's. I definitely don't want to be late meeting my niece for the first time just because I'm waiting for an Amazon delivery. That is not going to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready and we can go and meet Lily for the very first time. I'm so excited. I'm going to go ahead and end today's video here. I really hope that you've enjoyed this one. As always, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and also leave today's video a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you've enjoyed it. And also don't forget to check out my like to know it link. I'll have it down in the description box, and I'll see you guys back here in my next video. Bye guys.